Today I'm going to show you how to check if your Android phone supports NFC. This feature is great for contactless payments, data transfer, and more. First, let's quickly understand what NFC is. NFC allows devices to communicate wirelessly over short distances, typically for transactions or sharing information. Many modern smartphones come with this feature, but not all do. The easiest way to check if your phone supports NFC is through the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your Android device and tap on Connected Devices or Connection. Look for NFC. If you see an option to toggle it on or off, then that means your phone supports NFC. If you can't find it that way, simply tap the search icon or bar at the top and type NFC. If NFC appears in the results, you can access it from there. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your Android phone supports NFC or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.